Have you ever thought about partnering with the richest man in the world? Because that sounds like a pretty safe bet to me. And last year, Jeff Bezos made $215 million per day. And how is he able to do that? The reason he's able to do that is because he's made hundreds of thousands of everyday Amazon sellers, just like you and me, a ridiculous amount of money. But the problem is most people just don't know how to take advantage of the ridiculous amount of money they could be making from Amazon. So give me just 30 seconds of your time and focus. And I'm gonna jump into my computer right now and I'm gonna show you just how you can start making money from Amazon and taking your piece of the pie. So come on. Welcome into my screen. What we're gonna do right now is literally search just like some random product. Like let's just put sheet protector. I was just using this for some documents that I was looking at, right? So these sheet protectors are selling for, $12, $16, $20, $35 for some of these. We can literally find these exact same sheet protectors, right? Just a thin piece of plastic on the biggest manufacturer website in the world, which is Alibaba. And if we look right here, right, we can see these exact same sheet protectors, right? The ones that they're selling, literally right here, exact same. We see it's 0.005 cents per piece, right? So if you're buying it for 0.005 cents per piece and they're selling a bundle of them, for 13, 14, 15, even $35, right? Think about how much profit you're making. And I know there's people out there that are saying, Kevin, it's not this easy, right? But if it wasn't this easy, how would over 10,000 of my students have been through this program? How do we have people like Oksana right here who made $511,000 in just 1 month using these same strategies? Or Ben right here, over $100,000. Or Matt right here, over $150,000 in just 1 month. And I could go on and on and on showing that, but I'm not going to, right? All I'm gonna tell you is you have two choices. The first choice is you can just look at this and you can say, okay, it's another scam, right? You can ignore the fact that I have a massive Facebook group, almost 400,000 subscribers on YouTube teaching the same thing and have hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of success stories doing exactly this. Amazon was one of the first $1 trillion companies. Jeff Bezos was one of the richest people in the world, making over $215 million per day all of last year. How is he able to do that? The reason is because he is making hundreds of thousands of Amazon sellers rich, because this is an incredible opportunity. There's never been a better time to get started on Amazon. So you have two choices, right? You can be like most people and just watch this video, close it out, and move on the rest of your day, right? Going back to things exactly how they are and nothing will change. Or you can be the 1% of people and click the button somewhere on this screen and join our completely free training where I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can start making money on Amazon selling simple everyday products. And all you have to do is find them for cheaper in China on Alibaba and sell them on Amazon.com. You don't have to do any of the work yourself. You don't have to do any of the fulfillment yourself. Really, it is just that easy. You just have to have the knowledge and learn actually how to do it. So don't be like, the 99% of people who never take any action. Be the 1%, join our completely free training, and I'll see you on the training. And maybe you are gonna become my next biggest student success story. So I'll see you inside of the training.